Ethiopian thick-billed ravens are quick to take advantage. All that commotion doesn't go unnoticed. The lammergeier, or bearded vulture, a massive bird, soaring the mountain updrafts on wings 2 meters across. Despite their size, lammergeiers don't rush in to feed. They bide their time, letting others do the messy work. Only when the meal is almost over do they make their move. Lammergeier literally means lamb catcher, but these formidable birds aren't that interested in meat. What they prefer are bones. Bones as heavy as the bird itself are hauled off with ease. The lammergeier knows precisely what to do with them. Bones away. With the bone shattered, the nutritious marrow is exposed. Chunks as big as your fist are dissolved in stomach juices as strong as an acid bath. Bone breaking takes skill, and young birds need plenty of target practice. Many bones fall wide of the mark. Others lack the height. It takes a full 7 years for a lammergeier to get it right.